नहीं नहीं रेकॉर्डिंग हो
কথা কইলা কত
हाँ
রেডি হ্যাঁ
आगे
Good morning everyone. Sit up. So, all are present today or not?
No, sir.
7 absent. Okay then. So in our last class, I taught you about the polynomials. What are called the polynomials? What is the coefficient of a polynomial? And what is the degree of a polynomial? All those things, about all those things I taught you. And also in our last class I taught you that how can we find the zeros of a polynomial? Zeros of a polynomial by those values. For those values, the total polynomial will give 0. That is called the zeros of the polynomial. For example, x square minus x square plus x minus 3 to x square plus x minus 3. I suppose I took x is equal to 1. If I will take x is equal to 1, then what this value will be? Means put the value of x is equal to 1. So what it will be? 2 into 1 square plus minus 3, that is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 3, that is equal to 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. So the result you are getting 0. That means this x is equal to 1. That is the all zeros of that polynomial. Or you can say, if I say what will be the factor of this one? This one. Factor x minus 1 is a factor of it. About all these things I taught you in the last class. Today I will just teach you about the factorization. How can you factorize a given polynomial? There are so many ways are there to factorize the polynomials. First, by grouping the terms given in the polynomial, we can find the factors. Another is your by middle term splitting method. Another is your by using the formula like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b whole cube. What is the formula? A plus b whole cube is equal to
A cube plus B cube plus 3AB whole A plus B.
good, very good. So likewise, by using the different formulas, we can also find the we can also factorize a polynomial. So today I will just say you about the middle term splitting method. Middle term splitting method. So factorization. Today I will just question. By one question I am just explaining you. Factorize factorize 7x square minus 16x. Yes, 7x square minus 16x minus 15. We will factorize it. Means by solving, by simplifying continuously, lastly we will get something into something in this form we will get. Means this is a factor of this will be a factor of this one and this will be a factor of this one. Factorization means we will write the given polynomials in the product form. Product of smaller what? Binomials. Smaller terms. Something into something like that. splitting method. Middle term splitting method. Here, to this middle term, we will split, we will divide into two parts such that when we will add those two, that will give the middle one is, what is that? Minus 16. Forget about these variable terms because here it is x square, somewhere it will be p, somewhere variable terms it will be changed. So here, I want to split this minus 16x into two terms. When I will add those two terms, then it will be minus 16. When I will multiply those two terms, it will give a multiplication of these two. Means how much?
Minus 105.
Minus 105. So प्लस करने से मुझे ये मिलना चाहिए, इनटू करने से मुझे माइनस 105 मिलना चाहिए. Just to forget about that minus, simply 105. From the base I am saying you. So you this 105 first you by prime factorization method you factorize to this number by 5 and I will get it is 21. By 3 it is 7. That means 5 and 21 this is one pair, possible pair जिसको इंटू करने से 105 मिलता है, राइट और नॉट? 15 and 7 इसको भी इंटू करने से मुझे 105 मिलता है या नहीं? फिर 7 into 5 35 और 3 ये भी एक पेयर बन सकता है, इसमें भी एक पेयर. देन खुद 105 और 1 ये इसमें भी एक पेयर. So these are the 4 possible pairs whose product will give 105. But another condition is there, it should give minus 16, not 105 exactly, it is minus 105. But another condition is there, add करने से हमको what will get? Minus 16. So out of these 4 pairs, if I will take this one, and if I will take minus 21 and plus 5, minus 21 or plus 5, minus 21 plus 5, add करने से minus 16 देता है या नहीं?
Yes sir.
Minus 21 and plus 5 इनटू करने से minus 105 देता है या नहीं?
Yes sir.
So these are the two terms. So these are the two terms which we need. Understood or not?
Yes sir.
Okay. How much of you understood? Then I will give you a question. Then I can know. Okay, then here it is 7x square. So how I will write it? Minus 21x plus. Now, make 2 pairs here. When you take the common 7x taking common it is x minus 3 plus 5 taking common it is x minus 3. Now, here x minus 3, x minus 3. So, 2x minus 3 से ले आया. बाकी जो remaining this is the factor. This is the factorization, and these are the factors. So, x minus 3 is a factor of this one. 7x plus 5 is also a factor of this one. Now, देखो ये जो मैं I took to this pair और भी बहुत सारे पेयर हैं, तो उसी पेयर को लेकर मैं सिंपली इसी को चेंज कर और मुझे को कौन सा पेयर, सपोज दिस इज योर फर्स्ट, दिस इज योर सेकेंड, you just this is your third, this is your fourth possibles. Now I am taking it is to this middle term, then which one will be used here? Huh? 15 and
7.
this one is 15 and 7 correct, but minus 15 plus 7. Good, very good. So first of all, you will see what the product we need to get, factorize it, find the possible pairs. Acha, I'm just simply changing one thing here. Here I am giving minus 104x. Same thing, but simply middle term I change. 7x square minus 104x minus 15. Then, again, which pair, what possibility means 105 or 1? Then how will I write here to get this minus 104?
Minus 105 plus 4.
Good, very good. Like this, you can do yourself. Now I am just giving another question to you. Factorize, that is yes, 12p square minus 38p plus 9. So first, you multiply these two, see what the product is related. The product of the middle terms, what we will get, what we are finding, the product must be equal to 108. Factorize it. So the possible pairs, one is 2 and 54, another is 4 and 27, another is 12 and 9, another is 36 and 3, another is 27 whole column, yes.
Yes, it is.
18 and 6. By shuffling all those, you can get the different pairs. But which will be needed here? Which will be used here? Semi. So which one I will get? I think question is wrong. Now it is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So then which one you will just take it? Which pair? Yes, Aditya.
4th pair, 36.
36 and 3. But which one?
Minus 36.
Very good. That's good. So it is 12p square minus 36p minus 3p plus 9. After finding the middle terms, then your mark is over. Then you make the group बना के करते हैं. So here from this group you take common 12p, so it is p minus 3. Then from this group you take common 3, so it is p minus 3. Remember that this first term must be equal to this one always. If it will not be equal, then you will think that you have done somewhere. So now this is equal to here p minus 3 into
12p minus
12p minus 3. Right? Answer you got? If you will write here answer and you will finish here, still you are wrong. Still you will not get the full marks. Because you see, this 12 and 3 Again you can take common 3 or not.
Yes, sir.
If you will take 3 common, so 3 I am bringing out. If you will take 3, then what it will be here?
4
Minus
1.
This is the correct answer, not here. It is still one step is there. So here you will take the 3 common, then you will get the full marks. So about this middle term splitting method, now you open your book. In your book, question number 4. 4 bits are there. 4 bits are there. The second bit, that is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. By middle term splitting method, you will find the factors of this one. I am giving you 1 minute only to see the middle terms splitting how you are doing. In this 2x square plus 7x plus 3, just to split the middle term, that is 7x. How will you split it? Very good. 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 Very good. Yes. Do Subram. Yes, good. You? Minus 6x. Yes. X will be there. Minus. Why do you got that minus? All are in plus. Where you have taken minus, minus, minus. Then Abhilash. Dear. Understood? Huh? No, I want only that to how you have splitted the middle terms. It will be 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. Very good. And when you will do the sum, you will just give the equal sign, it will come to the end. Because you are bringing a term and making it simpler and simpler. Not imply sign, it is equal sign. When two things are compared, at that time we use implies. Implies this equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this. Implies, at this time implies will be given. But when you are bringing down a particular term and you are simplifying, you will give equal to this one, equal to this one, equal to this one. Just simplify. So this is the this is equal to, in here it will be 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. And from these 3, this it will take 2x common, it is x plus 3. Here 1 common, it is x plus 3. So this is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 1. And this is your answer. Okay, so the remaining questions you will do homework. And next class also about that factorization we will discuss. And for today it is the next class you will complete all the bits of the question number 4. Okay, until then.